Hello, my name is Matthias Görner. I'm an industry expert in the field of intralogistics at Leuze. Today we are in our distribution centre. Here I'm going to show how quickly and easily you can replace a barcode reader. At this point in our conveyor system, there is a barcode reader that only outputs no reads. That means it can no longer read barcodes. Let's take a closer look.
Wie man unschwer erkennen kann, ist die Frontscheibe defekt und wir müssen das Gerät austauschen.
First, we detach the barcode reader from its bracket and then remove the connection hood. Now we reconnect the new product to the connection hood. From the two status LEDs, it is very easy to see that the new product has received the required settings via the interface and is fully operational. At this point, two advantages become clear. Firstly, due to the special mounting bracket, the device does not have to be readjusted after the exchange. And secondly, due to the integrated Profinet and integrated connectivity technology, the required configuration is automatically carried out by the control system. As you can see, a device exchange is simple, fast and can be done without specialist knowledge. The conveyor system is up and running again in the shortest possible time. What challenges do you have with ident technology? Send a message to identification@leuze.com or via our social media channels. Thank you for your interests, and it's goodbye until the next episode of our barcode reader talk. Yours, Matthias Görner.
Ihr Matthias Göhner.